22-year-old David Jackson wears a red McDonald's visor, earning $8.25 an hour. Grease on his clothes, mattress on the floor, no college. Everyone says this is his life forever. Every night at 11 p.m., when the restaurant closes, David's real work begins. He opens a cracked $200 laptop and teaches himself coding with free YouTube videos until 3-4 a.m., 3 years straight. 4 hours of sleep. No parties. No excuses. He spots a gap. Millions of new Android phones are slow and full of junk. No one is cleaning them. With just $25 for a Google Play account, he builds an app after every shift. 18 months later, Clean Master launches. First week, 47 downloads. Almost quits. But he updates it every night. Replies to every review, learns SEO. It explodes 100 million downloads. Number 1 in 50 countries. 2013. At 25, David quits McDonald's for good. 2014. His bedroom app powers Cheetah Mobile to the NYS. Clean Master alone sells for over $400 million. From scraping burnt cheese to multi-millionaire in 4 years. Today, he's an angel investor. That old red visor still hangs in his office next to his Tesla keys. His message: I had nothing but free Wi-Fi after closing time, and a promise that tired would never stop me. Everything you need to change your life is free right now. Your shift ends tonight. Your future can start tonight. The fries are done. Your move, end card, one video, one night, one decision.